case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1997 case, Sid Dillon Chevrolet-Oldsmobile-Pontiac Inc. v. Sullivan, the Nebraska Supreme Court addressed the issue of whether a court can prohibit someone from saying mean things about another person without proof they are untrue. Morton Sullivan was sued by Sid Dillon and his businesses for repeatedly violating a temporary restraining order that banned him from discussing Dillon and his businesses. The district court replaced the temporary order with a permanent injunction and awarded attorney fees against Sullivan. Sullivan appealed, arguing that the court erred in finding him in violation of the Uniform Deceptive Trade Practices Act and violating his First Amendment rights. He also claimed that the court erred in finding him in contempt of court and awarding Dillon attorney fees. The Nebraska Supreme Court agreed that the injunction against Sullivan's speech violated his First Amendment rights, as it had not been determined whether the allegations against Dillon were false or misleading. The court also found that the district court erred in issuing both the temporary restraining order and permanent injunction, as well as in awarding attorney fees to Dillon. Both parties were named in the action, but the focus of the opinion was on the actions between Sullivan and Dillon. Due to the collateral bar rule, Sullivan was unable to use unconstitutionality as a defense. Ultimately, the court reversed the matter, directing the lower court to vacate the injunction and reverse the award of attorney fees to Dillon. This decision reaffirmed the crucial importance of First Amendment rights and the importance of proving statements are false or misleading before restricting an individual's speech.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.